Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about a story. A simple day in a small town. This is a story about a simple day in a small town. The town is peaceful, friendly, and quiet. Many people live there and they enjoy their daily life. Life in the small town is slow and comfortable. Every day is almost the same. But the people feel happy because the town is safe and beautiful. Every morning, the sun rises early, the sky becomes bright, and the birds start to sing. The houses in the town are small but warm. The streets are clean and the air feels fresh. Some people wake up at 6 a.m. and some wake up a little later. But most people start their day with a smile. In one small house lives a woman named Anna. She is kind and friendly. She wakes up at 7 a.m. every day. She opens her window and lets the cool air come inside her room. After that, she goes to the bathroom. She washes her face, brushes her teeth, and takes a short shower. Her morning routine is simple, but it makes her feel fresh and ready for the day. Anna goes to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. She likes bread, eggs, and fruit. Sometimes she drinks tea, sometimes she drinks juice. She eats slowly and enjoys her quiet morning. After breakfast, she cleans the table and washes the dishes. She feels happy when her house is clean and tidy. After breakfast, Anna leaves her house. She works at a small bakery in the town. The bakery is not big, but many people love it. The smell of fresh bread fills the street every morning. When Anna arrives at work, she greets her coworkers with a smile. They are like a small family. They help each other and enjoy working together. At the bakery, Anna makes bread, cakes, and cookies. She enjoys baking because it makes her feel creative. Many customers come to the bakery in the morning. They buy bread for their breakfast or snacks for their children. Some customers talk to Anna and ask about her day. She listens politely and smiles warmly. She likes talking to people and making them feel welcome. Around noon, Anna takes her lunch break. She sits behind the bakery in a small garden. The garden has green trees, flowers, and a small bench. Anna brings a simple lunch, rice, vegetables, and soup. She enjoys eating outside because the air is fresh and the birds sing their gentle songs. After lunch, she rests for a few minutes before returning to work. In the afternoon, the bakery becomes quieter. Anna cleans the kitchen, arranges the shelves, and prepares ingredients for the next day. Sometimes she teaches new workers how to bake bread. She is patient and friendly, so people enjoy learning from her. She feels grateful because her job is simple but meaningful. At 5 p.m., Anna finishes her work. She says goodbye to her coworkers and walks home. The small town is peaceful in the late afternoon. Children play in the park. Old people sit on benches and talk. Some people ride bicycles along the quiet road. Anna enjoys walking home because she can see familiar faces and wave hello to her neighbors. When Anna arrives home, she takes a short rest. She sits on her sofa and drinks a glass of water. After resting, she prepares dinner. She cooks rice, vegetables, fish, or sometimes noodles. She likes cooking because it helps her relax after a long day. Sometimes she listens to soft music while cooking. Music makes her kitchen feel warm and cozy. At 7 p.m., Anna eats dinner. She eats slowly and enjoys the food she made. After dinner, she cleans the kitchen and sweeps the floor. She likes cleaning because it makes her home feel comfortable. In the evening, Anna has free time. Sometimes she watches a comedy show. Sometimes she reads a simple book. Sometimes she goes outside and sits in front of her house. She watches people walk, talks to her neighbors, and enjoys the cool night air. The town is quiet at night, and the stars are bright in the sky. At around 9:30 p.m., Anna takes the shower again. She washes her face and brushes her teeth. After that, she prepares her things for the next day. She puts her clothes on a chair, checks her phone, and turns off the lights in the living room. Before she sleeps, Anna lies on her bed and thinks about her day. She thinks about the people she met, the bread she baked, and the small happy moments she had. She feels thankful for her peaceful life. Her day is simple, but it is full of small joys. At 10 p.m., Anna closes her eyes and goes to sleep. The town becomes very quiet. The only sound is the soft wind and the gentle night insects. Another simple day in the small town ends, and another beautiful day waits for tomorrow. Life in the small town is not busy or noisy. It is slow, quiet, and peaceful. People there enjoy little things: a warm breakfast, a friendly smile, a walk home, or a quiet night. This small town may not be famous, but it is full of love and happiness. For the people who live there, every day is a gift. Thanks for listening, everyone.